So we are reviewing Jason Alexander's Anabolic buffalo chicken wraps.
Buffalo chicken pinwheels.
If they're cut up, they're pinwheels. If they're not cut up, it's a wrap. So I already had some boiled chicken and shredded up, and Thomas is the one that came across the video and forwarded it to me just because it's an idea, you know, try this. So we tried it. So it's got shredded chicken, cream cheese, and mozzarella cheese, and the lavish bread wrap. So I didn't make the buffalo chicken because I don't eat spicy foods. Otherwise, I'm sure his tastes are good for anyone that likes buffalo sauce. As far as the macros go, I believe it's got 341 calories for just one wrap, 53 grams of protein, 22 grams of carbs, 4 grams of fiber, 6 grams of fat, and 4 grams of sugar. The calorie-wise for 5 of these will come out to 1,705. I mean, it sounds like a lot added up together, but for just one, 341 calories and 50 grams of protein, 53 grams of protein. I honestly don't know too much about it, but Thomas says that's pretty good, so I'll just go with what his word is. As far as seasoning, all I did was add some salt and my Flavor Guide's garlic and herb seasoning. Other than that, I didn't season it at all, and it tastes pretty good. So really it just looks like chicken and cheese. The amount of cheese in it, you need something to break that up. Maybe you dip it in a sauce or something, or maybe have some salsa, or maybe just have something to drink with it, because you definitely need something, you know, for it to compensate for all that cheese. Otherwise, it's good. It's great. So, I think it's a filling, low-calorie meal. Pretty decently easy to make. So if you want to see what his recipe is, I believe he added just buffalo sauce and like green onions or green peppers with it as well. So we'll leave his link to the video in the description so you can take a look at that to get other ideas. So I grabbed some barbecue sauce, GQ Smokehouse sugar-free barbecue sauce original. Oh yeah, try it with barbecue sauce. It basically tastes like barbecue chicken, but with cheese. So anyways, there you go. See you next time. Every time you come around, yeah, you ease my mind.